Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll be learning about dream state communication. Have you ever had a dream that felt incredibly real, where conversations felt meaningful, where emotions were strong, and when you woke up, it stayed with you? Maybe you even thought, that didn't feel like a normal dream? Let's explore that space calmly and clearly. What happens in dream states? When you sleep, your mind doesn't switch off. In fact, it becomes active in a different way. During certain stages of sleep, your external awareness reduces, your internal imagery increases, your subconscious becomes more active. This is why dreams feel visual, emotional, sometimes unpredictable. What is lucid dreaming? A lucid dream is when you become aware that you are dreaming while still inside the dream. In that state, you may observe the dream consciously, influence what happens, experience heightened clarity. It's like awareness within a dream. Seems exciting. Let's move forward. Where communication comes in. Now let's be very grounded here. Dream state communication does not mean you are literally talking to someone else's mind while asleep. Instead, it involves interacting with your subconscious, processing memories and emotions, simulating conversations or scenarios. Your brain can create realistic people, meaningful interactions, emotional experiences, and sometimes these feel deeply significant. Why dreams feel so powerful? In dream states, logic is reduced, imagination is enhanced, and emotions are amplified. So experiences feel more vivid, more immersive, more meaningful. And this can create the feeling of something deeper is happening. We are not trying to control dreams, we are building awareness. Here's a simple approach. Before sleep, gently tell yourself, I'll notice my dreams. After waking up, recall anything you remember, even small fragments. During the day, ask yourself, am I aware right now? This habit can carry into dreams. Dream states show you something important. Your mind can create clear images, emotional experiences, complex interactions without external input. This strengthens visualization, awareness, understanding of your subconscious, keeping it grounded. It's very important to stay balanced. Dreams are meaningful, but they are also internal experiences. So instead of asking, was that real communication? Ask, what did I experience and what can I learn from it? One final thought. Your mind doesn't stop when you sleep. It simply shifts inward. And in that space, you can observe how powerful your inner world really is. Not to escape reality, but to understand your mind more deeply. In the next lesson, we'll bring everything back into real world application, non-verbal mastery in everyday life, where your awareness becomes practical and visible. I'll see you there.